Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
My friend can't bang bakla love me. Masa pa tell you. You can't wait. You have to right now. Somebody dead? No, I can't wait. Leave to the right. As who you have to say? Sure. But you know about Errol? And your cousin? Him not really my cousin. You know your cousin? What are they? You're my side man. So, you want Errol fuck? Yeah, fuck. What side man? The side man a fuck. Yo. Let's want to be honest with you. That's all. Let's want to be. It's like, well, you be honest with me. I'm gonna be honest with you too. I'm Trisha, your cousin, right? The brown girl, your cousin, I'm my cousin either, you know. I'm my cousin. I'm a girl. Side girl, me and her fuck a couple months now, one thing. Remember the day when you come and catch her? I fuck what you done fuck on. But you know what, I'm glad, I can't look past her and I can't look past her because you don't know. I just keep it push up there in the air, really, my cousin. I'm anti-son, April Fools. My God, them things that I talk about today, you know. You heard too much fuck that joke, man. See that? Girl, come watch her. If you never run them joke with me, I'm going to tell you some fuck Trisha and everybody would have come, but I still have fuck her and...
They just keep lying
Don't bother.
now.
Oh, look at my baby. He is knocked out. Wow, sleeping so peacefully. I love him so much. I'm so blessed to be his father. Alright, I'm gonna let him go back to sleep now. Oh, wait. Let me leave him some money so when he wakes up, he'll know he is loved. Who have I offended in this life? My own son, all he does is to sleep from morning till night. He doesn't know more than to sleep. All his mates are out there doing big things with their lives. Starting companies, getting jobs, getting married and starting families. This one, you just sit down here and sleep from morning till night. Then you come back and be asking me, Daddy, I need money, I need money. How would you need money? And then see how he's even sleeping. Like someone they've locked his destiny inside bottle. Papa, will you wake up? Daddy, I was sleeping. Oh, okay, I did not see you sleeping. I'm blind, Abby. Will you get up and go and do something with your life before I throw these slippers at you? Instrumentally depressed vagabond. Idiot.
Can anyone in the class use the word sincere in a sentence? Me, sir. Are you alone there in the class? No, sir, but I'm here alone at Brighties. Go on. Alright, sir. Sir, me lucky, you know, me find money all the time. But it look like me luck I run out because me not find none. Sincere.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Good morning, class. Can somebody use the word hearing in one sentence, me? Me, sir, me. Okay, Harry, let's hear it. Alright. Girls wear 2 and boys wear 1 hearing. Hey boy, you're so stupid. You say put hearing in one sentence? Let's try another word. Can somebody use the word feet in one sentence? Me. You again? Yes, me can do it this time. Alright, now we hear it. Them boy over there so take with me football, so me go feet. Feet. Me go feet.
Facebook era, buck at it again. I you know when me come for talk, I you know when me come for talk. Lord Jesus Christ. Last night my friend come from Damana Republic. Don't a BRT weekend. Come and knock on my door and borrow $50 from me. Dirty boy, before you go party, you don't know say if you pay your phone bill. And you don't know say next day you go hungry. You don't know say next day you go hungry, you go party with all these rusty chain around your neck. Buy all these buckle, use off your money, and now you want come take out my little money, and when me not give me money, you malice me, boy, you better go look up, boy. How you tell if you have your money, you will your money at BRT weekend. No, come borrow $50 from me. After you got them on a Republic, go say enjoy yourself at BRT. They have all white, me saying all white. They have all grey, me saying all grey. They have all yellow, me saying every type of color. And when you come back last night, you can't pay a phone bill.
Who named side chick? What is side chick? Side chick? You're really back with the side chick thing again? She. Who named side chick?
Who named the side chick?
Man, no more side chick. So wait there. I can't read.
You can't read yet.
It's a side chick, but I don't know who this. Look at what? Who named side chick? You know what? Give me the phone. See the phone, yeah?
Wait,
No, never call her, girl. Call her. You're to the phone for call her. No, never call her.
You don't need to be that petty.
No, I'm a caller.
You are not that person.
No, I'm that person. What are you talking about? Don't touch me. I'm that person. Bitch, I'm gonna call.
What is she for?
Shh. You didn't hear that?
Hear what?
You You need for ring? Give us it. Come on. My girl.
Huh?
I went him. I call you for.
Who? Him?
It's been
Yes, I drink.
What's that name?
I get side drink.
Kiss me granny palm to backside. Every day I come out here and come watch man. I want to know. Me come out here and I come watch you through window. Hey, alright, you know a circus show. Watch this. Go yam shit, bitch. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoy the shit.
Yellow Metro on that beat. I know that they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't want nobody in my bed. Like back to ride it. Tight bag, me like it. Bye. Slide it. I just want your body in my bed. Baby, come wind up on me. Hands all over your body. My bed. Baby, come wind up on me. I just want your body in my bed. Baby, come wind up on me. Hands all over your body.
I wake up feeling like you won't get right. I use and know, but that shit don't feel right. It made me put.
Hi, are you a waste man? Has someone ever called you a waste man? Have you ever thought to yourself, am I a waste man? Well, I'm here to help you to find out if you're a waste man. Here's some signs to know if you're a waste man. Do you go to the clubs with your friends but don't buy any drinks and wait for them to buy the drinks but yet you're the first one to grab onto the bottle? Waste man. Always wearing designer brands from head to toe but when your baby mama call you, you ain't got no money for the kids? Waste man. Do you drive an expensive foreign whip but yet still live at your mom's house sleeping on the kids' beds with kids' sheets? Waste man. Do you try to convince women not to be with their partners and telling them that they could do better than the guy they're with? First class waste man that. If any of those apply to you or anyone you know, then guess what? You're a waste man.
Babes, well, we can try something new.
I am not doing that thing.
Babes, if you do it, I'll do it. Or I could make someone else do it.
No. I'll do it.
April Fool!
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.